how to make the magic ring or magic circle. So this is how I'm doing it, and maybe you'll find it useful. So I'll take the yarn like this. I wrap it twice around my finger and I hold it. So I go under, I'll take the yarn and pull it through, and I go under and I form the first stitch. Again I go under, and the second stitch. Again under, and third, under and fourth, under and fifth, and once again under and sixth. Now I'll take it off, I turn it, and you can see that string. I'll pull it, and now the yarn tail, and here we are. Thank you.